Hi everyone, welcome to this getting started session on the MuleSoft Inference Connector. And this connector is pretty new. Um, Not many of you may know it, but it will be the long-term successor of the MuleSoft AI Chain connector. Um, we are providing a big number of inference providers here, um, which are supported. So currently 30 plus. And we have different types of connections available in this connector for you. Additionally, to the HTTPS security, like TLS support, we have added an proxy as well. It only supports Java 17, but that's fine. And we have a matrix as well. So what operations are supported for which provider. That's something I guess is very useful. You can check it out. But this connector has been there now for a while, but we have not been talking about it much, which will change now. It's available on the MuleSoft AI Chain project GitHub org, where you can see it's the MuleSoft Inference Connector. You can get it from the Maven Central. It's the easiest part. Just copy this dependency and you will be using it. I think I will show it with this dependency in the tutorial. You also have the GitHub master releases. So the recent release is 0.5.0. This is, I think, one of the most stable releases with the highest coverage of support. And also, again, shout out to all the contributors who have been supporting this, like Alec, Chu, Tommaso, Nico, Yogesh, who have been tremendously working on supporting all the different capabilities on the connector. Um, so you can also, the second approach is to download it and manually compile and install it. For those who would like to do it manually, you can go to the macproject.ai website, and under getting started, you will see here the option 2. So this option 1 is something I will demonstrate here. The option 2 is to really download the GitHub master org and then install it for Java 17. This is obsolete. You don't need it. It's only supporting Java 17 now. I think we need to update here. Um, and then add the dependency and get started. So that's basically the current setup. And I have already opened my studio. So let's go into studio and start with our first. Let me edit here. So we say it Mule Inference tutorial. Or let's say getting started. It's not really a tutorial. Getting started. Let's finish it. And meanwhile this is copying, we can go to the Maven Central page, and now as the project has been copied or created, we can paste the dependency under the dependency tab here. So important is, you see when you copy the dependency from Maven Central, there is no classifier. That this is something which Mule needs, so you need to add the classifier, which is a Mule plugin. That's mandatory. The rest should be fine. You just save it, and probably the connector will pop up here. So least effort in installing it, but it's a big impact for users to use it. And we are going to start with it, going through each of these different operations. I will just show you what is available here. So under connector configuration, you can see we support 4 types of operation. The highest coverage is the text generation. So any model which is able to generate text, you can use it for tooling, for prompt template. And behind the scenes, we are leveraging with the text generation, the chat completion resource of the APIs of the LLM providers. For Vertex, it's a little different. Same for Olama, but majorly it's the same capability. For moderation models, this is toxicity detection, what we are leveraging here. Image generation is few. We support right now 4 in total. And the vision model is also leveraging the chat completion, but with the focus of providing the images. We will go through each of those, but let's start with the text generation configuration, where you can just select it, press OK. And here what we are going to do is we will say we received the inference type in the attributes header, which will be header. And then, if I'm not mistaken, it's like we say this is, let's say, LLM type. And same we do it for the API key. We have the API key here. And the same approach we will go for model itself. The rest should be fine. Here we can add, let's say 60 seconds is fine. And press OK. And that's it. We will continue with the next session by using the first operations.